Let's find the volume of a right circular cylinder using the formula V equals pi times r squared times h. If r equals 3/4 yards and h equals 3 1/5 yard, we'll use 22/7 for pi. So, to find the volume of the cylinder, we'll use our formula V equals pi times the radius squared times the height. So this becomes volume equals, we'll substitute 22/7 for pi, and we'll also substitute 3/4 for r. So this will become 3/4 squared times h, which we'll substitute as 3 1/5. So to find this answer, let's first convert 3 1/5 to an improper fraction, and then use order of operations to simplify our result. So to convert 3 1/5 to an improper fraction, we'll multiply 5 times 3 and then add 1, all over the common denominator of 5. In other words, this becomes 3 times 5 plus 1 all over 5. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 more would become 16 over 5 as an improper fraction. So our volume is 22/7 times 3/4 squared times 16 over 5. Next, to compute this result using order of operations, we have 3/4 squared. 3/4 squared would mean multiplying 3/4 by itself. So multiplying the numerators and the denominators, 3 times 3 is 9, over 4 times 4 is 16. So our volume is 22/7 times 9/16 times 16 over 5. To multiply our three fractions, we could multiply the numerators and the denominators. However, we do see that the 16s will cancel, leaving 1 in both spots. So we really will have 22/7 times 9/1 times 1/5. To find this result, we'll multiply the numerators, so we're left with 22 times 9 times 1 over multiplying our denominators of 7 times 1 times 5. 22 times 9 becomes 198. Divided by 7 times 1 times 5 becomes 35. So, since our problem contained a mixed number of 3 1/5 yards, let's convert our improper fraction answer back to yards, or back to a mixed number. To do this, we'll divide 35 into 198. So the most number of times 35 divides into 198 is 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25, carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15, and 2 more is 17. So subtracting, 8 minus 5 is 3, and 9 minus 7 is 2. So we have 23 over 35 as a remaining fraction. That means that our answer becomes 5 and 23 over 35 cubic yards. That's the volume of our cylinder.